Hey, deformed Subaru fans! Here we have a ChoroQ of the 2005 WRC Impreza, driven by Peter Solberg. This toy came out in 2005 as well, so okay. Let's some photos. Oh, I thought they were photos of the real car, but no. Looks like Photoshop of the toy car. Alright, let's open this thing up here. It's actually made in Taiwan. I always thought almost everything was made in China, but alright, there's a little storage box, not that I would use it. No time for that. Put it in the trash. A little plastic wrap to protect it from vibration. And what's going on in here? Anything? It's usually like a Takara fan thing. Yeah, some sort of fan club thing. So I found the images of mesh wheels, and they run all sorts of wheels depending on what surfaces they're racing on. But here's a street one, but this one's also running gravel mesh wheels, and this is flight mode mesh wheels, and then just one for the back view. All right. So it's safe to say that's a good choice of wheels, the mesh ones. They are blanked off. It is a toy. These are wind-up toys, so meaning like kids are probably going to step on these things, and that's why the wheels are probably solid. But the latest Zeros are going hollow spokes now, so that's nice. I like these old tires more than the Zeros because they actually are domed like real ones, although the front ones are totally flat, so that's not so cool. This is a smoked plastic body. You can see my finger there. And then they just paint that one piece of plastic very nice. Actually, the wing might be a separate piece. So this is a metallic blue, like the Subaru metallic blue. Looks good. And actually it's not that gappy for a rally car, so I'm not going to bother even swapping the wheels out. Alright, so all the sponsorship, it's all paint, it's no decal stuff. Yeah, so all that looks good, all legible, right? Even though a sponsorship here on the C pillar, or would it be the B pillar? I'm not sure. Painted on headlights, that's kind of weak. And this is really weak. If this is officially licensed by Subaru, take the time and put something there, like the Subaru stars, At least they have Subaru up here. And then a bunch of sponsorship there, the STI on there, and a different radiator kind of texture there, Pro Drive. Printed on windscreen wipers, and this banner looked good. There's the roof vent there, and that's got printing on it. That's probably like the camera. And then the number 5. There's also printing on the back window, so that's nice. This side here seems to be same as the other side. No fuel filler that I can see. Oh, I missed it. I missed it the first time. Alright, so the wing here, we got a double-decker wing, painted black with all these fins and stuff. I guess that's accurate to the rear photograph at least. Yeah, so that's good. It's all passing air. It tells you what the car is and when it raced. That's nice. And I don't know what any of that means. Maybe that's the Japanese version of that. More printing, and I really like how they put the silver here instead of just one giant block of red. This nice printing here. It's just that these coin holders get in the way, Without the coin holder, you could appreciate this more, but no. Alright, a little exhaust there, part of the base. The base is also smoked plastic, as you can see. And then if you buy this without packaging, those last 2 digits generally means when it was made. There's also a production dial you could look at inside the thing. So, all in all, pretty good. No problems. I mean, it was new, so the quality control by ChoroQ is very good. It might be one of the best, actually. Not many are defective. I didn't even see that printing there. So this has printing everywhere, except, well, technically it is on the bottom, too. I guess it's not on the tires, but still pretty nice. Let's look at a few other Subis here. You're going to find I have a soft spot for Subarus. I used to have an Impreza wagon, like a 1998 one. Here is a 1997 WRC car, and I have 3D printed my own wheels for that one. Here's the 2001 version, and so you can see the evolution occurring here in deformed shape. Here's 2003. So all those have 3D printed wheels, I believe, including this one. This is a 2005, but by Toshi Arai, driven by him. So you'll notice it's different wing. Yeah, so same taillights. Yeah, just a different wing. It doesn't have the roof vent there. Sorry, I wasn't looking through my camera there. And then this one is a mystery. It doesn't have a year on it, but again, looking at the bottom, I guess that's probably a 2003. So I'm gonna put that somewhere around there. The bug eye ones. That's not the bug eye one. I don't know what you'd call those headlights. We got 3 more. I don't know what year this is. I should probably put stickers, but this is a freebie by Wanda, and this is also by Toshi-Arai. I don't know what year it is though. It looks more modern with that kind of grille. And then this looks even more modern than that. This is also Toshi-Arai, and this again is a Wanda. And the very last one, this one is Solberg again, and that looks like maybe the most modern one. Yeah, sadly I didn't label those on the bottom. Actually, these are the same. No, they're not the same casting. They have the same front and rear taillights, but the wing and the body is actually different. So, yeah, rally racing's cool. I actually don't watch any of it anymore, but I think it's cool, the fact that they jump and all that stuff and run so many different surfaces and everything. Where's Rickmar? This is the one in question today. Okay, well, if there's a different casting or some other Subaru that's significantly different from the ones I have, yeah, I'll definitely pick it up if I can get it at a good price. So hopefully you'll stay tuned until then. Until then, I'll see you around.